Hello everybody, it's your boy ENSBFG Nerfer here. You're probably wondering why am I wearing a mask like this. It's because the other one is gone, and I have nothing else but the skull mask, so that's what we're gonna have. So, let's go into it. First, Nerf gun that I have currently is a Nerf rifle knockout. I'm pretty sure it's called the knockout, but it reminds me of the Halo 2 Nerf blaster. So, why do they stop the Halo line? I don't know. Maybe it's because it got old very fast and they weren't making that much money, which could be it, or the fact that they should probably invest more. But I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. So, that's it. Give a little firing. Actually. There you go. Next one. This reminds me of the Halo shotgun in 4. Now, if you don't know what the Halo shotgun is in 4, then yeah, go look it up. But this is currently the only shotgun that resembles it. Yes, there is ejection. I can just press the button here. There you go. There is ejection. And you have to load from the front, from the top, which I love. And it shoots 3 darts as a spray. Except the fact that you have to prime it once every time. So look, what I do is anyway, this is a pretty cool Nerf blaster. If you want it, go look it up on Amazon. I don't know how much it is. The worst one ever. This reminds me of ODST. Don't know why, but it does. Yes, we can all hate the fact that this is a top load. But the fact that you can add a stock to it makes it look like the Halo SMG. And if I find a grip, which I don't know where I left them, then maybe it'll change. The next one is probably everyone's favorite, the Moto Blitz. This reminds me of the Halo M6. It's a burst fire, but it's bolt pump, which is great. This isn't burst, it's semi-auto. And also, we got the pump. It's amazing. I wish you guys can get it. And then last but not least, crap. There's still more. I could probably record this as a video. But alas, I don't know. I'll probably show you it. Hold on. Vintage.
Team 1. Team 1.
Hold on. Alright.
Good luck.
So this reminds me of the Halo plasma pistol. It sucks, but this one is pretty fun to use. So, the one thing that makes it sound like it is look. Has realistic recoil. Hold on. Alright, make sure. Look. Man. Oof. Okay. Bit rusty. but you reload from the bottom. I could probably make more videos of Halo Nerf guns that should be in the Halo line. And Hasbro, if you're watching, then please make more. I'm begging you. There are so many other Nerf guns I have that kind of remind me of Halo. I have the Halo Centurion, the Nerf Centurion, Vortex line, shotguns, pistols, you name it. I have a crap ton of Nerf guns and I can make more videos. But I'm gonna end it here after this. This reminds me of the sticky plunger gun in Halo 4. And yes, I do believe it sucks horribly. Yes, it shoots one round, but like the reloading is just other than that, thank y'all for watching. There will be more videos sometime, maybe next week. Probably Friday, if wanted. If you guys want more videos, then please hit the like button and comment down below what type of Nerf Buster you want to review for the Nerf Halo line. Anybody, please. I'm begging you. But other than that, I'm sorry for taking a 3-month break and all that jazz, but there will be more Nerf videos soon. See you guys. Bye-bye.